welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're gonna do a fun video. This video actually took me 2 days to do, so I'm gonna show you guys everything that I did. If you can see my last video, I didn't have any braids in, but this one I do, and I absolutely love these. I started out wanting to just do some regular small braids to have them in for quite a bit a week, but I ended up with these little twists, which I love because I changed my mind how I wanted it to look, and I'm so happy I did. And this is what this looks like. They're super small, they're light. I use Marley hair, and I just use one strand to do each of these, so they could be light. Even though it looks like it's a lot, guys, it's super light. It is not heavy, and I love it. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did this. And if you guys notice, I have new nails on. I tried to do Pinterest nail art that I saw, but I kind of hit and miss. I didn't know how to do it. And guys, I mixed this color. I didn't notice at the time. I had a yellow and an orange, but I didn't want either color, but I wanted to something of that color, so I mixed it together, and it ended up more like a mustard color, which I love. I absolutely love it. So guys, I'm gonna show you how I did this. The first thing I did was do a super wash day routine, guys. I didn't film the whole thing for you for my wash day routine, but it's basically my super moisturizing wash day routine where I wash my hair, condition, and shampoo, and then I did a deep conditioner. I use my Shea Moisture Greens deep conditioner, guys. You see me use it plenty of time. That's the one I use. And then after that, before that, the week before, actually last week, I did do an egg mask because I knew I was gonna put my braids away. I wanted something to strengthen my ends. That egg mask was beautiful. It helped not only moisturize but strengthen my hair, which if you're looking for a mask like that, check out that video and you'll see how I did that, and I absolutely love it. Afterward, guys, I went ahead, I did my braids. this took, because if you were doing this all together, it would have taken you a whole day, because my regular braids, I braided my hair, that took 4 hours. So long time to do it if you're gonna do it as small as I do. I did them that small because I'm gonna actually have these in for a minute. I'm gonna wash them like this. Even if I rebraid these, they're still, my natural braids will still be in the way they are. So this is why they're that small. If you don't plan on keeping them a long time, I suggest doing them a lot bigger, so you won't go crazy like I will be when I have to take those out, but it's all worth it to me. So the next thing I did, guys, was I put in these Marley braids. So the way I did this is, at first I was just going to twist these and leave them in, but if you've watched my videos, you've seen how whenever I do my hair, I will put moisturizer, leave-in, and shea butter oil. I go all out on my hair whenever I'm putting it away, so it can be super moisturized under the braids, and they were just too moisturized, too slippery for me to just do the twist if I plan on keeping them for a long time. So what I went ahead and did, if you can see the roots, I braided the roots for a little bit, just a tiny bit, just the basic roots, and then I did twist on the ends. Now these braids, if you guys can see, there are quite a bit of them all over my hair. These braids, they took about 5 hours to do. So between my regular braids and my actual doing the twist, the Marley twist braids, that is a 9-10 hour process, guys. So that's quite a long time to do that. Now it's basic braids. You do the braids on the end and you twist them at the bottom. Definitely put moisture in these. They work a lot better if your hair is super moisturized. And one thing I did do is, whenever I was doing these braids, I did my braids and I had a clip, like one of my clips. Every time I was done with these, I would actually clip it and not let it unravel at first, because I would do these braids super tight, and then after the hours were up, I would let them unravel, and this is how tight they stay, because this is how I wanted it to come out. Now you can always buy pre-made braids, the one that are already pre-braided, pre-twist. I do have some of those I've used. I love them, but I wanted this to come out a certain way, so I got myself some Marley hair and did them this way individually, even though it took me almost 10 hours to do, which I hate doing, but I had some free time, why not? And I absolutely love the way they came out, so that's why I did it. Now after I did my hair, I waited to do my nails afterward, because you guys can see how long these are. I love them, but they're not the most practical thing to do in braids. I could do it with these nails, I realized, but it would have taken a lot longer. So while my nails wasn't done, I figured do my hair first and then do my nails. And these are just the basic nails. I got these nail tips. They look like this. I'm gonna show them to you guys. And I used gel and regular nail polish, just everything I did. I'm gonna show you guys how I did these. Basically, I did my nails first. Always do my nails where I actually file them down. I cut my nails down to nothing now because I'm not letting them grow right now. And I actually did the nail, prep my nail first, put on a base coat. Very important that you put on a base coat so you guys don't mess up your actual nails. One thing I wanted to show you guys is I got this Born Pretty gel, and this is the one I've been using. It's a gel polish, and this is like a 8-in-1. It does so much. Yeah, 8-in-1 nail glue. So you can use this actually as a glue. You can use it as a top coat to keep your nail strength. And you can use it as a nail builder if you're doing just poly gel. So that, it has a lot of different uses. I actually got this guy on AliExpress, so that's why I found it. I'm gonna have the link for you guys. It's just aliexpress.com. I'm gonna show you exactly the one I got. You can go ahead and check it out. Took a couple of weeks to get here, not too long, but I love it. And I use that one because whenever I have to pop these off, it's so easy. It comes off with nothing. You just soak it, it pops off, and your nail doesn't get all chip and rip and all messed up. It just actually come off like gel polish. So I love that. And I did these. I got these little design. You guys can see these little dots that are on here. I got this little kit actually at Walmart, and I got it for $2. Usually it's a lot more, I believe, so it's not this cheap. And these are the little diamonds that come with it. Still a lot. I love this little packaging, by the way. Absolutely love it. And I just mixed the colors together, did my nails, put the gel on. By the way, the light you see me using, guys, I got that kit on Amazon. I got a whole kit actually. Had a lot of different things to it. I wanted to start doing my own nails, so I figured it'd be nice to get the whole kit from Amazon, have the light, have everything that goes with it. A lot of the tools came with it. I actually have a clip. I'm going to show you guys everything that I got from Amazon when I ordered all that stuff. It was fun. It was nice. I actually got a lot of things out of it, so I've been using this for a while now. And that's basically it. I did my hair, I did my nails between the 2 days because I was working, guys. I couldn't do the whole day of me just doing that, So that's what I did for the past 2 days, is get this done, and I'm so excited about the result. I absolutely love it. Didn't think it would turn out this way. I love how it looks. I love how small the braids are, but the most important thing, guys, is how light they are. They weigh practically nothing. You don't feel like they're heavy. They are not a burden. And whenever I need to shower, I just do a bun, put it up, and go shower. And guys, I did these in a way where I can actually part them any way that I want to, that it doesn't have an actual part. If you see when I was braiding my hair, now because the way I braid this, you can choose to put this all the way back. You can part it in the middle, part it to the side. This is why I did it that particular way. If you do want it part in a particular way, go ahead and already part it that way. But this gives me more options, so I can wear my hair a lot more different ways. So I'm looking forward to keeping this in. I absolutely love this. It looks gorgeous, and I love how it came out. And I'm gonna be wearing this for a minute, guys. So that is basically it. This is my hair. This is what I did for my hair and my nails. I'm happy about this because it took me 2 days and the result came out positively beautiful, and I'm excited to wear this. So that's it, guys. My whole video, what I did for this process, showing you guys how I did my hair and just the whole braid. I didn't sit in front of the camera the entire time, guys, because it was just so long to film this and do it, but it's basically the same process throughout my hair, the braids, my natural braids, and braiding the hair. That's how it went, and I absolutely love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel and click the little notification bell so you know when I have new videos that are coming out. Of course, give this video a thumbs up. Always leave all of your comments down below. Any tips and tricks for braiding or twists you do to your hair, definitely leave those comments down below. And guys, don't forget to go over and watch my last video.